Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to clear site settings on Google Chrome using the latest update. If your browser is acting up or you just want a fresh start with permissions and stored data, this is a simple fix that can make a big difference. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. This opens the main menu where all your browser options are located. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's Settings panel, where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls how your data is handled and gives you access to clearing different types of browsing information. Now tap on Clear Browsing Data. You'll see two tabs here, Basic and Advanced. Go ahead and switch to the Advanced tab so you can access more detailed options. In this section, look for the option related to site settings. Make sure it is checked. This ensures that stored permissions like camera access, location settings, and notifications for websites will be cleared. Once you've selected it, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation prompt may appear, so go ahead and confirm your action.